Well, here we are at where I'm staying in Eagle Nest, New Mexico. And I wanted to show you this place and give you an idea of what's going on here and what I have discovered. It's pretty amazing. I knew about Eagle Nest. I'd driven through it before, but I've never really stayed here. I've not stayed in this wonderful RV park before, and my plan was to only stay for a day, or excuse me, for 2 weeks. But I've extended that to a month, and I'm going to show you a little bit here. Then I'm going to tell you what other plans I've made as a result of my experience here, little town Eagle Nest. So let me do an orbit real quick. So, like I said, that's really wonderful. And you see the lake behind me, and then look over here. Check this out. Look at the mountains behind me. It's a lovely scene, but that's not the real magic of this place. I want to make sure that you're hearing me here. Well, hopefully you're getting good audio. Um, it's the people here. I've met wonderful people that I'm able to socialize with. And the woman that owns this place, her name is Marty, and she is one of the kindest, gentlest people I've ever met. There's no exaggeration here. I also had an experience with a gentleman in town that does RV repair and owns another big RV park near here. And his kindness and generosity was just, it blew me away. It was almost not believable. Um, and I when I expressed this to him, he said, "You're going to find here in Eagle Nest, um, you're transported 50 years into the past." And what he means by that is not technology or anything, it's the attitude of the people that live in this town. I'm finding it over and over again. And I've been here, I think, about 9 days now. And I've done everything I could do to extend my stay here as far as I can. Right now, it's at a month. It may be a little longer. I don't know. But ready for this? I have made reservations here from June 1st of next year through the end of September. So that's June, July, August, September, 4 months I'm going to be staying here because I just love it here so much that I've decided this is a great summer place for me. And I feel like I fit in. I feel like I belong. And I just feel a deep connection to where I am right now. And I hope you can partially understand it. Anyway, I love it that you watch my videos. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. And I will see you tomorrow in the next one. Take care.